Good morning, children. Children, our new topic is position and movement. Position and movement. In 6th standard, you learned about how to transform 2D shapes by reflecting, translating, or rotating them. Okay, a transformation is a way of changing the position of a shape. Transformation is a way of changing the position of a shape. A transformation happens when we move a shape by reflecting, translating, or rotating it. The shape we start with is called the object. The shape we finish with after a transformation is called image. Okay. When a shape undergoes a transformation by reflection, rotation and translation, it only changes its position. It doesn't change its shape and size. Okay. Today we are going to learn about the types of transformations. Type of transformations. Okay. Here you are learning about reflection, translations, rotations and enlargement. Okay, reflection, translation, rotation and enlargement. These are the types of transformation. The shape before any transformation is called the object. ട്രാൻസ്ഫോർമേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റിൻ്റെ പൊസിഷനെ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, അതിനെയാണ് ട്രാൻസ്ഫോർമേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുക. ദ ഷേപ്പ് ബിഫോർ എനി ട്രാൻസ്ഫോർമേഷൻ ഇസ് കോൾഡ് ദ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ്. ട്രാൻസ്ഫോർമേഷന് മുമ്പുള്ള ഷേപ്പിനെ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറയും. ദ ഷേപ്പ് ആഫ്റ്റർ ദ ട്രാൻസ്ഫോർമേഷൻ ഈസ് ദ ഇമേജ്. ഓക്കെ, ടുഡേ യു ആർ ഗോയിങ് ടു ലേൺ അബൌട്ട് 4 different types of transformation, that is translation, reflection, rotation and enlargement. A translation is a transformation that occurs when a figure is moved from one location to another location without changing its size, shape or orientation. In the coordinate plane, we can draw the translation if we know the direction and how far the figure should be moved. Translation is a transformation that occurs when a figure is moved from one location to another location. ഒരു സ്ഥലത്തു നിന്ന് വേറൊരു സ്ഥലത്തേക്ക് മാറ്റി വയ്ക്കുന്നതിനെയാണ്, ലൊക്കേഷൻ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ട്രാൻസ്ലേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുക. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ് മീ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ദിസ് ചിൽഡ്രൻ. Here this is our object and this is our image, that is after translation. Here we translate this object 2 units right, 1, 2 and 4 units up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is our object and this is our image. We translate this object 2 units right and 4 units up. Here there is no change in the shape and size, but the position changed, the location changed. Okay. Our next transformation is reflection. Reflection. A reflection is a mirror image. Mirror image. Reflection is a mirror image. It is known as a flip. Flip means it is a turnover. Okay, നമ്മൾ തിരിച്ച് ഇടുന്നതിനാണ് ഫ്ലിപ്പ് എന്ന് പറയുക. An image will reflect through a line known as line of reflection. A figure is said to be a reflection of the other figure. Then every point in a figure is at equidistant from each corresponding point in another figure. The reflected image should have the same shape and size, but the image faces in the opposite direction. Okay, a reflection is a mirror image of the shape. ഒരു ഷേപ്പിൻ്റെ മിറർ ഇമേജിനെയാണ് റിഫ്ലക്ഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുക. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ ടേൺ ഓവർ, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ ഫ്ലിപ്പ്. ഓക്കെ, an image will reflect through a line known as the line of reflection. A figure is said to be a reflection of the other figure. Then every point in a figure is at equidistant from each corresponding point in another figure. നമ്മൾ നമ്മുടെ ഫേസ് മിററിൽ കാണുമ്പോൾ ആ മിറർ വെച്ച പൊസിഷനാണ് ദ ലൈൻ ഓഫ് റിഫ്ലക്ഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ആ മിററിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മുടെ ഫേസിലേക്കുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസും മിററിൽ കാണുന്ന ആ ഫേസിലേക്കുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസും സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും. The reflected image should have the same shape and size, but the image faces in the opposite direction. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ മിററിനെ ഫേസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ മിററിലുള്ള ഫേസ് നമ്മളെയാണ് ഫേസ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ് മീ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ദിസ് ചിൽഡ്രൻ. ഹിയർ in this figure is an example for a reflection. This yellow shape is the reflection of this blue shape. Okay, this is the object and this is the image. Here, as I told you, the distance between the line of reflection and the object and the mirror image is always same. Here the distance between the object and the mirror line is 1 unit and here also 1 unit. Okay, next is rotation. Rotation is a transformation in which the object is rotated about a fixed point. The rotation is a type of transformation. It is a circular motion of an object around a fixed point. This fixed point is known as center of rotation. Okay, center of rotation. In real life, children, we know that the earth rotates on its own axis, which is an example of rotation. Okay, rotation is also example for a transformation, but it is a circular motion. Circular motion. Circle shapeilana adu vera around a center or a fixed point. Earth rotates on its own axis. This is example for a rotation. Okay. The direction of rotation can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Clockwise, as the needles of a clock. This is anti-clockwise, opposite. Okay. The fixed point in which the rotation takes place is called the center of rotation. Here, children, the needle of a clock rotates like this. Here, this is the center of rotation. The amount of rotation made is called the angle of rotation. Angle of rotation. Okay. That is, rotation means is a turn. The turns that are most often used are quarter turn, that is 90 degree, half turn 180 degree, or 3/4 270 degree. And a complete turn is equal to 360 degree. Okay. So rotation is a circular motion of an object around a center or a fixed point. The direction of rotation can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. The amount of rotation made is called the angle of rotation. That is 90 degree, quarter turn, half turn 180 degree, 3/4 turn is 270 degree, and one complete turn is 360 degree. Okay. These are the degrees of rotation, children. Here, quarter turn. This is the object. When it turns 90 degree, it will reach here. Again 90 degree, that is 180 degree. This shape reach here. After a rotation of 270 degree, this is the position of the image. This is complete rotation. Okay. Let me explain this, children. This is the given shape. After a rotation of 90 degree, it will reach here. Again 90 degree, total 180 degree, half turn. This is the position. Again 90 degree, that is total 270 degree. This is the position. Again 90 degree means 360 degree, a complete turn. It will reach its original position. Original position. Okay. Next is enlargement. Okay. Enlargement is a transformation where an object maps to an image of the same shape but different size. Okay. The object and image are said to be similar. Similar means having same shape. The next transformation is enlargement. Enlargement. An enlargement is a transformation where an object maps to an image of the same shape but different size. Here, the size is different. Enlarge, making large. Okay. The object and the image are said to be similar. Similar means having same shape, not size. Okay. Children, here this is our object and this is the enlargement, that is the image. An enlargement requires a center of enlargement and a scale factor. We will discuss this in the next video. Okay. So enlargement. Enlarge means making a shape larger. Enlarge. It is a transformation where an image of the same shape but different size. Shape is same but size is different. So it is known as similar. Similar. These are examples for enlargement. This is the given shape and this is its enlargement. And this blue shape is the given object and this pink is its enlargement. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss about enlargement, children. So today you learned about different types of transformation. A transformation is a way of changing the position of the shape. Okay. We are going to learn about 4 types of transformation. One is translation. Next is reflection. Next, rotation. The fourth one is enlargement. Okay. So children, translation means the way of changing the position of a shape. A transformation happens when we move a shape by reflecting, translating, rotating and enlargement also. But in reflection, translation and rotation, the shape and size become same. But in enlargement, the size becomes large and shape become same. Okay. The shape we start with is called the object and the shape we finish with after a transformation is called the image. Translation means it is a transformation that occurs when a figure is moved from one location to another location without changing its size or shape. Rotation is a circular motion. Here the object is turning. Okay. The turns that are most often used are quarter turn 90 degree, half turn 180 degree or 3/4 turn 270 degree. Next is reflection. Reflection is known as a flip. It is a mirror image. An image will reflect through a line known as the line of reflection. Okay. Then the last one is enlargement. It is a transformation when an object maps to an image of the same shape but different size. Here the object becomes large. Okay. But the object and image are said to be similar because they having same shape. The size is changing, not the shape. Okay. So children, listen this video carefully and do the given work in your classwork. If you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Hope you all understood this. Thank you, children.